I was sent this dash cam at no cost for the purpose of this review, so let's go ahead and take this thing out of the box and check it out. All right, so in the box we have a couple mounts and some mounting stickers. We have the main camera unit that's on the front. We have the main camera unit here that mounts to the back, and we have the 12-volt accessory power adapter that you would use. This is some mounting tape here to help you mount this back camera if you need to mount it with mounting tape. It does come with a 128 gigabyte micro SD card and the manual. So enough talking about this, let's get this thing installed and see how well it does. So here is the rear camera installed in the back of the vehicle. And I've got this line right here that goes to the camera. I'm going to give just a little bit of space because when the hatch opens, it does go a little bit further away from the headliner. So I'm going to leave a little bit of space here so that that camera can move with the door open. But other than that, I'm going to tuck it in behind the headliner so you don't even see the wire. All right, so I have this dash cam right now hanging from underneath our mirror, and it was pretty easy to set up. So if you look at the camera there, at the back of the camera, you're going to see 4 sections. The top right corner is our rear view camera that is watching behind us, and right now basically recording our garage door because I'm setting this up in the garage. The top left is basically what the front of the vehicle is looking at. And then if you can see me, I am in the bottom left of this camera, and that is because, hey, I'm right here with this camera pointing at me. And then in the right side, you can see my cell phone, which is recording this on the windshield. But overall, it's really picking up everything well. It's got a really sharp, crisp view. Of course, that's on that small monitor. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this video off of the camera to see how nice the video is on the camera. All right, so right now you can see that I am no longer using the cell phone to record this. I'm recording off of the camera that's pointing at me in the vehicle. So now I'm gonna go back to my phone. So if you use the down arrow on the settings side over here to the right-hand side, it gives you different views for the different cameras. So you can see my hand holding the camera. This is the passenger side. My hand's covering up because I am touching the button on this side. And then the 2 passenger driver side. And then now we're back to all 4. So there's a lot of different views that you can choose from. And then when you're not recording, you can click this middle button here, and it lets you go through all of the different settings on the camera itself. So the setup on it is very easy, but I do recommend you read the manual and go through these options to make sure you're setting this camera up the way you want it set up. So I did go and install the app on the phone. It lets you go and look at videos and pictures that you have on the camera, and it connects as a Wi-Fi device. So basically it's like a Wi-Fi router for you to temporarily connect to it, look at the information that's there, and download it to your phone. You can also do a couple settings like record, stop recording, take some pictures, things like that. But most of the settings that you need to change for the camera are right here in this screen. So if you're looking for a dash cam for your vehicle, I don't think you'll be disappointed in this one. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. If you would subscribe to the channel, that really helps us out. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Y'all take care.